Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Today I have a really fun layered papercraft for you. This is my cat's brew layered papercraft. Isn't that so fun? You've got that happy little cat with her witch's hat and witch's broom next to her little cauldron brewing up something fun and delicious, I'm sure. And then the little bats hanging around as well. Just a really fun decoration. This project is really easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's gather our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project was part of Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts 2023. If you'd like to purchase the individual cut file for this project, you can head to my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. This project is also available with the VIP Access Pass. With the VIP Access Pass, you get access to all 12 event files, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. For more information on the VIP Access Pass, you can head to thebeardedhousewife.com/WBPC2023. I have both links listed in the video description. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. One thing that I want to mention, I have already sized the project to fit within the cutting dimensions of the 12 by 12 cutting mat. So it is just under 11.5 inches tall. If you want to adjust the size in order to put this design on a card or use it for a different matter, you can go ahead and resize the design here. One thing that I would recommend is that you keep the proportions locked. That way the design does not get distorted at all. Since I'll be making this as a layered papercraft, the sizing is already appropriate, so I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. And you'll see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see when it's time to put everything together. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I know it looks like a lot of different layers here, but it really comes together really easily. We're going to start with the white, green, brown, red, orange, the first layer of black, gray, and then the outline layer. Now don't worry, I do have a layering guide within the download to help visualize how to layer everything together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and glue everything together and I'll show you what it looks like when we're all done. And here we are, our Cat's Brew layered papercraft. Isn't this so much fun? I love it so much. It would make perfect Halloween decor, whether you put it in a wreath or you have it around the house, maybe put it in a shadow box or even a card. There's so many different possibilities with this design. If you do make this, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through our Facebook group or email. I would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Bye!